Which zodiac signs are most likely to cheat? Loyalty is a quality almost everyone is looking for in a partner. However, what if we told you that loyalty too depends on your zodiac signs? Of course, these are just observations, but the fact is that some zodiac signs are more likely to cheat on their partners than the others. Here is how. Aries, not so trustworthy. The ram is independent and impulsive, often acting before fully considering the consequences of their actions. They also have a voracious appetite for adventure, which could very well include multiple lovers. Taurus, completely loyal. If your partner is born in the sign of Taurus, you are in luck. They are the most faithful of all zodiac signs. The bull thrives on stability and is usually extremely dependable, reliable, and loyal. Gemini, not so trustworthy. The twins are daring and curious. They thrive on excitement and sometimes on danger. They are also incredibly mischievous and enjoy playing games even with the hearts. Cancer, completely loyal. This zodiac sign is known as clingy, insecure, and extremely family-oriented. The crab loves home and family and is not happy unless he has deep emotional ties. They thrive on the feeling of security. Leo, not so trustworthy. The king of the jungle often has a long history of numerous lovers and relationships. As we all know that the lion is a perfectionist, he or she is always on the prowl for the perfect mate. Virgo, not so trustworthy. Virgos are everything but saints. They value honesty and true intimacy more than anything else. But if the relationship is far from satisfying, they are not afraid to pursue another opponent. Libra, completely loyal. Usually an exciting lover, Libras tend to be trustworthy and loyal. Your Libra lover will idolize you, love you through good and bad, and stay with you even. When trouble rears its ugly head in a relationship, the Libra will often escape into his own little world to sort things out. Scorpio, surprisingly loyal. Scorpios are famous for intense loyalty. However, as an extreme sign, if Scorpios lose an ounce of respect for you, they will be tempted to look elsewhere for love. But if you remain a loyal confidant, you'll win over your Scorpio for good. Sagittarius, not so trustworthy. Generally, a Sagittarius partner is most likely to cheat. The archer is generally a free spirit who hates rules, including the restrictions inherent in a monogamous relationship. Capricorn, completely loyal. The goat loves stability, especially in a relationship. Most Capricorns realize that success in any form requires hard work and determination, and the goat is not afraid of either. Aquarius, not so trustworthy. Same as Sagittarians, Aquarians want to be challenged in order to stay in the relationship. You won't be able to satisfy his needs unless you are interesting, exciting, and a little mysterious. Pisces, not so trustworthy. The most sensitive sign in the zodiac, Pisceans often battle conflicting inner emotions. Dual-natured Pisces, represented by the up fish and down fish, can be total saints or total sinners. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.